So, if you want to start using Atlas AI here on your Shopify store, well, there is a way for you to do this. Well, first things first is you want to go to shopify.com and just log in into your account. Now, in here at the bottom left, you want to go and click on settings and you want to go and choose the apps and sales channel at the left side. Go and click on Shopify App Store at the top right here and you want to go and just search for Atlas AI. Let's go and click on search apps here and just type in Atlas AI and basically search for it. Once you do search for it, you want to go and just choose Atlas AI Store Builder here. Let's go and click on install. Now this will ask you to confirm that you want to install the app into your website or in your Shopify store. Let's go and click on install to confirm a few things. Now once it's actually confirmed, you should now be able to start using the actual app. Now the great thing about Atlas here is it basically everything for you is going to be will be guided. So let's just wait for it to fully load up. So once the app is loaded up, it's now going to ask you how do you want to start. So do you want to generate a store or you want to take you to the dashboard itself? So if you want to start using the app itself, just click on generate store here, click on next. Now once you've done that, it's now going to ask you, select the product you would like to generate a store for. Let's go and choose AliExpress here. Now if you have other platforms like Alibaba, Amazon, or a custom website, go and choose that one. Let's go and choose AliExpress and maybe I want to add this specific product here. Now from here, it's going to just paste the product link. Click on proceed. Now from here, it's going to start crafting your premium store. Now it might take a while here, so just wait for a while. Now from here, it will ask you to set a few things like, for example, selecting the product image. Now if you want to upload your own, you can go and just do so. Let's go and click on continue. Now from here, it's going to ask you to customize your store. What's your color? And we are good with this one. Let's go and click on continue. Now, on the next page, you should now have the option to complete the setup process. Like, for example, if you want to set up bundles and a lot more. Now, you also have the option to set your bundle templates, color presets, and a lot more here. Like, you go and just choose one and basically proceed with the setup process. Now, from here on, you just need to follow the on-screen steps and you're pretty much good to go here. You can also set up the cart upsells here if you want. Let's go and click on next. And again, just to choose the design that you want. Now, moving forward, you just need to fill out the necessary details. And again, you'll be good with the cart upsells. And once you fill out all the details, you should now be able to see your dashboard here. And like what I said before, the great thing about Atlas here is everything is guided. Now, if you want to publish your product bundles, generate additional product pages, you go and just select the appropriate one here and click on proceed and follow the on-screen steps. Now, at the left side, you now have the option to access other sections or settings here, like if you want to see your bundle deals, cart upsells, AI product photos, and also if you want to upgrade your subscription. But that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.